When we are stressed and feeling all the anxieties from work or life in general, hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate you doing that. When we are stressed and feeling all the anxieties from work or life in general, we sometimes crave for and appreciate fresh flowers and cultivated green spaces. But is there anything more to it? Does houseplants and fresh flowers bring beneficial to us mentally, physically, and emotionally? According to studies, these living organisms interact with our mind and body that enhance the quality of our life. Undeniably, indoor plants are not just for aesthetic purposes. In fact, there are other compelling benefits the houseplants can give. So to discuss further, here are some benefits found that indoor plants and fresh flowers may provide. We all know that when we breathe, we take oxygen, and when we exhale, we release carbon dioxide. This releasing gas process is the opposite pattern with plants. During the photosynthesis, plants absorb the carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which makes plants and people natural partner as they both benefits from each other. Likewise, adding plants in our home can increase oxygen levels. Some great plants that release oxygen at night are as follows: orchids, succulents, and epiphytic bromeliads. These plants will refresh air during at night, and putting them in a bedroom will help us breathe easier. If you arrange your plants together, they release roughly 97% of the water that they take, in which helps increase humidity in a room. This process, according to the Agricultural University of Norway, may help decrease the incidence of dry skin, colds, sore throats, and dry coughs. The plants can purify an air for up to 87% of volatile organic compounds, or VOC, every 24 hours. This was being discovered by the NASA research when they conducted a study on how to improve the air quality of a sealed spacecraft. VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, include substances like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Formaldehyde are present in rugs, vinyl, cigarettes, and some grocery bags. Benzene are commonly found in books, printed papers, and inks. While trichloroethylene are found in man-made fibers, inks, solvents, and paints. Have you ever wondered why we always bring flowers to someone who is sick or in the hospital? Studies have proven that adding flowers and live plants in hospitals can speed up recovery rates with patients. Kansas State University researchers conduct a study and compared patients in rooms without plants. Those patients with plants request less pain medication. It lowered their systolic blood pressure, experience less fatigue and anxiety, and are released in the hospital sooner. Likewise, adding plants to offices settings, according to Dutch Product Board for Horticulture, helps decrease fatigue, colds, headaches, coughs, sore throats, and flu-like symptoms. In fact, nowadays, horticulture therapy is a new approach for those individuals who are in a recovery time. They are given a task to take care of plants, and this approach significantly reduced recovery time after medical procedures. Studies have proven that plants or houseplants improve concentration and productivity. It reduces stress levels and boosts our mood by up to 15%. The Royal College of Agriculture in Cirencester, England, found that students demonstrate at least 70% greater attentiveness when they are being surrounded with plants in a lecture room. This is because the plants increase oxygen levels in the air by absorbing carbon dioxide. Thus, the positive effect of this increased oxygenation may help to improve our mood, energy, and even mental focus. That is all, and I hope you learned something from this video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you today and always. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now!